Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you fix Roblox error code 529. In order to fix the Roblox error code 529, we are experiencing technical difficulties. You want to follow these steps. Usually indicates an issue with the Roblox server on your network connection. And to resolve this, you could try checking the Roblox server status. So for that, you want to open up your browser and type in Roblox server status, after which here you could see any sort of issues if there is available. So likewise, the other thing what you also want to make sure to do is turn off your modem or router, wait for a few minutes and then turn them back on. This can help resolve temporary network glitch as well. Or else what you could also do is go to the Wi-Fi icon, right click and go to network and internet. You could then disable this for a couple of seconds and restart it. That should be able to help you out to fix. Despite that, if the issue still persists on, then you want to make sure to log out of your Roblox. Click the gear icon, then go to log out, and this should be able to help you fix your issue. If the issue still persists on and nothing works out, then you simply want to restart your Roblox application, and you also want to make sure to uninstall it, and then after which you want to restart your PC. That's going to help you out to fix the issue. So these are a couple of things you could try to fix your Roblox error code 529. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.